Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Kia Sportage, stock number 7334. It's running from the 2nd 2013 to the 10th 2015. There's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 1 dent, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard no headlock, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,